There you go. And I bought one of these, what is it, 10-in-1 oxy welders, or whatever you want to call it, a welder, solderer. Look at that, it fucking melted. I don't know what it is, but it melted. I don't think it's supposed to, it's on fire. I've just noticed it because I was trying to weld just a little light to there, and it melted. So it's still hot. It's probably still move. Let's see. Yep, it's moving. Look at that. Look. My fucking God, what a piece of shit. I need a welder because I wanted to do some welding in the car. Oh God. And it won't turn off either. That's the other thing I found with it. See, it's getting hot again already. And I haven't even turned it on. This thing's dangerous. And I've got a full bottle in the bloody thing, so I've got to, hopefully, I'm going to have to put it outside. Well, it doesn't last very long, does it? That was full. What a piece of shit. Look at that. Wow. Oh, well, there you go. Just thought I'd quickly show you that. I was trying to clean it. Everything's hot, but I'm scared of it. I'm going to put it outside because I think it's still alight somehow. That fucking thing's dangerous. Yeah, it's not good.